Certainly, Odoo is a comprehensive suite of business applications, and extending its functionality to mobile users can be highly beneficial. To develop and customize mobile apps using Odoo, you can consider the following approaches. Advantages of mobile app development with Odoo. Developing mobile apps with Odoo ensures seamless integration with the existing Odoo ecosystem. This means that businesses can leverage their existing data, workflows, and business processes, saving time and effort in retraining employees or migrating data to a new system. Odoo's mobile apps seamlessly integrate with other systems and platforms, allowing businesses to streamline their operations and improve overall efficiency. Odoo Web Framework. Responsive design. Odoo's web framework is responsive, ensuring that the interface adapts well to various screen sizes, including mobile devices. Customization. Utilize Odoo's customization capabilities to tailor the UI for mobile users, ensuring a seamless experience on smaller screens. Harness Odoo Mobile Framework. Odoo Mobile App Builder. Odoo provides a mobile app builder that allows you to create customized mobile applications. Custom modules. Develop custom modules specifically for mobile users' needs and integrate them into the Odoo mobile app. API integration. Utilize Odoo's API to connect your mobile app with Odoo's backend, enabling data synchronization and real-time updates. Key development strategies. User-centric approach. Focus on creating an intuitive and user-friendly interface optimized for mobile usage. Performance optimization. Ensure the app performs well on various devices by optimizing code and minimizing resource usage. Security measures. Implement robust security measures to protect sensitive data transmitted between the mobile app and Odoo's backend. Steps for customization. Step first, identify mobile user needs. Understand the specific requirements of mobile users within your Odoo environment. Step second, design and development. Design the mobile app interface and develop necessary modules or customizations. Step third, testing and feedback. Thoroughly test the app across different devices and gather user feedback for improvements. Step fourth, deployment and maintenance. Deploy the mobile app to users and regularly update it to incorporate new features or address issues. Considerations. Device compatibility. Ensure the app is compatible with various mobile devices and operating systems. Offline functionality. Implement features that allow users to work offline and sync data when connected. Resources. Odoo documentation. Refer to Odoo's official documentation and developer resources for guidance on customization and development. Community and forums. Engage with the Odoo community and forums to seek advice, share experiences, and troubleshoot issues. In conclusion, Odoo offers a powerful platform for developing and customizing mobile apps, enabling businesses to extend their functionality to mobile users. By leveraging Odoo's unified business management capabilities, businesses can improve productivity, enhance user experience, and streamline their operations. With the right tools, customization and integration strategies, Odoo mobile apps can provide a seamless and personalized experience to users. By following best practices and learning from successful case studies, businesses can unlock the full potential of Odoo mobile app development. So, take Odoo on the master mobile app development with Odoo for a successful and competitive business journey. For more info on Odoo, visit our website www.O2btechnologies.com or contact us info@O2btechnologies.com. O2b, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.